गुड्डू बेटा, हैप्पी बर्थडे। भगवान आपको सब खुशियाँ दे, अच्छे से रखे, तरक्की दे, अच्छी सेहत दे, लंबी उम्र दे और सबका ध्यान रखो अच्छे से। आप बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हो, हमेशा अच्छे ही रहना। और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ कि आपने मेरे को मॉम बनाया। थैंक यू बेटा। हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू।
खुदा तुझे खुश रखे, आबाद रखे, अपनी रहमत में रखे, खुशियों भरी अच्छी तंदुरुस्ती वाली जिंदगी देवे, तेरी उम्र दराज करे, तेरी जोड़ी सलामत रखे। खुदा खुशियों भरी अच्छी तंदुरुस्ती वाली जिंदगी देवे। खुदा हाफिज, आई लव यू, याली मदर, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Guddu, happy birthday.
Hi, Guddu Bhai. From the time I was little, you were always there to protect me from the world, take care of me and love me. I'm very fortunate to have you in my life as my big brother, as my Guddu Bhai, and as a father figure who has always been there to hold my hand when I was about to fall. On your special birthday, on your 50th birthday, I wish you all the best for the next 50 and many more to come. I wish you good health. I wish you lots of success. And the other wishes that I always wish for, you already know those. I just hope and pray to God कि हम ऐसे ही हमेशा ज़िंदगी में साथ रहें, ऐसे ही लड़ते रहें, ऐसे ही मनाते रहें, ऐसे ही खुशी खुशी एक दूसरे के साथ हमेशा खड़े रहें एंड हमेशा माँ का और आन्या का ध्यान और भाभी का ध्यान ऐसे ही रखते रहें. Thank you, Guddu Bhai, for being my big brother. I love you more than you can ever imagine. Mwah! Happy birthday.
Hi Mamu, happy 50th birthday. I'm very lucky that I can be a part of your celebration today. I wish you lots of success, happiness, and I hope all your dreams come true. Thank you for being the best Mamu I could ever ask for, and it's spoiling me like always. I hope you continue to do so. I love you, bye.
Assalamualaikum Neeraj. Happy birthday बेटा. A very very happy birthday. अल्लाह ताला तुझे खुश रखे, आबाद रखे. May you enjoy your birthday to the fullest इंशाल्लाह. और तेरा पार्टी ग्रेट हो गए. You guys have a great time. और ज़्यादा नहीं पीना. ठीक है ना? And I love you. अल्लाह ताला तुझे हमेशा, मेरी दुआ है हमेशा तेरे लिए कि तू हमेशा खुश रहे, आबाद रहे, तो ढेर सारी तरक्की हो तेरी. सोचता है उससे भी अच्छा, तुझे जितना सोचता है उससे अल्लाह ताला से सवाया दे तुझे दे. मेरी हमेशा से दुआ है और हमेशा करती रहूँगी इंशाल्लाह. लव यू. और एज नानी वुड हैव सेड, फूलो फलो राज करो. हैव अ ग्रेट बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Neeraj.
Happy birthday, Neeraj. Happy 50th birthday.
Lots of love, good wishes, prayers और बहुत सारी दुआएं और हमेशा खुश रहो, आबाद रहो, फलो फूलो राज करो, as my mom would say.
Ditto. I have the same feelings. और Neeraj, you've been a fantastic addition to the family. Thank you for being you. और inshallah, we'll have many more, all good ones, happy and healthy ones, inshallah. तो फिर बात करेंगे.
We love you.
All of us, we love you.
A very happy 50th birthday नीरज. लैंडमार्क बर्थडे है. दिल से दुआ है अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें खुश रखे, आबाद रखे, सलामत रखे, हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. कभी किसी का कर्जदार, किसी का मोहताज ना करे. अच्छे लोगों में रहो, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो. ढेर सारी बरकतें हों तुम्हारे कारोबार में, तुम्हारी खुशियों में, तुम्हारे सुकून में. रब्बुल आलमीन तुम्हें हमेशा उसकी रहमो करम की पनाह में रखे. आमीन. Happy 50th birthday. Have a great one.
Happy 50th birthday, Neeraj. Wishing you all the blessed. Wishing you all the blessing on this day. May you always be happy the way you are. जिस तरह तुम मजाक करते हो, हंसते करते, इसी तरह रहो. अल्लाह भगवान तुमको लंबी जिंदगी दे, तंदुरुस्ती वाले. खुश रहो, आबाद रहो. And thank you for being a very nice younger brother to me. ठीक है. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.
Hello Neeraj, how are you? I'm sure as you are shown this video, you must be in the middle of celebrations with the family. Happy 50th birthday, son. As we have witnessed, 5 decades of love, laughter, and adventure have only made you stronger and wiser. As a devoted family man, you have always put others first, and we are so grateful for your love and care. As you celebrate this golden jubilee, we encourage you to upgrade, recharge, and pursue new passions. It's time to look ahead, set new goals, and make more unforgettable memories. We are incredibly proud of the person you have become, kind, compassionate, and inspiring. We wish you with many more years of happiness, good health, and fulfillment.
Enjoy every moment, take care, and stay blessed. With lots of love and blessings.
Stay ever blessed.
Lots of love. See you soon. All the best.
Happy 50th birthday, Neeraj. May God bless you with good health, long life, and happiness. And I hope you have an awesome birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, and whatever she said, ditto to that, all the duas and everything. And look forward to see you every Friday for the game and your new recipes and new techniques, creativities, okay? So all the best and hope to see you Friday. Take care. Bye.
Hi Gudu, wishing you a fantastic 50th birthday. You have 50 years of wisdom, knowledge and amazing memories with you. You have a countless adventures memories also with you. I wish you your next 50 years will be even better than your first ones. Gudu, you are extremely lucky. You have a very wonderful sister, a loving mom and a gorgeous wife with you. Don't forget that your Bua also loves you heaps. Again, happy 50th birthday, Gudu. Love you. See you.
Hi Neeraj, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neeraj. Enjoy the 50th.
We hope you have the best time celebrating. Enjoy this lovely new decade and wishing you only love and happiness and peace and just all the successes in the world.
We love you.
We love you. Mwah.
Happy 50th birthday, Neeraj. We love you and Jab so much. Just have an amazing birthday. I'm looking forward to celebrating with you in person. And yeah, we love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Gudu. Congratulations on this milestone birthday. Wishing you a very happy and healthy life. Thinking about our childhood, I remember the school holidays times that we spent with you at your place, and you and Dolly came over to Model Town and spent time over there. I also remember you loving your bengan bhatta and rice, which is something I also like. So something that we have in common. So once again, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. All the best for the years ahead.
Happy birthday, Gudu Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Enjoy your special day.
Enjoy your special day.
Hi Gudu, congratulations for a classic 50 and many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Gudu.
Hello Gudu, best wishes for a very happy 50th birthday. Wishing you all the best for the day and for many more years to come. Hopefully you will have a lot of happiness and blessings and company of all your near dear ones in the family. I just can't believe you are 50. I don't know. I must be very old then. Well, it happens. Everybody ages. It's how you feel. So I feel very happy working, everything. And I'm sure you will keep feeling all your full energy, enjoying the happiness with everyone you are around, and keep getting a lot of happiness, and God will keep providing you all the comfort and happiness that you deserve. Bye now.
Happy 50th birthday, Neeraj Bhai. You're a very loving and caring brother to me. I wish you good health, long life, happiness, and may you always stay blessed. Lots of love.
Hi Guddu Bhai, many happy returns of the day. You may shine as the brightest star in the galaxy. Power to you brother, power to you.
हाय गुड्डू भैया, मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। आपके बर्थडे पे मैं यही विश करूँगी कि आप इंडिया आकर के सबसे मिलके जाओ। बहुत टाइम हो गया है आपसे मिले हुए।
Happy birthday, Neeraj. Wish you love and peace forever.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Bernie.
Happy birthday, Neeraj.
Dearest Guddu Bhai, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a good one, and it's been years and years, so let's try and meet soon. देखो मेरे बाल भी सफ़ेद हो गए हैं, आपके भी हो गए होंगे for sure. But hope you have a brilliant year ahead. Take care and see you soon.